This is the elevator at Fili metro station in Moscow. It's a thyssenkrupp Evolution Blue, not Synergy Blue. Yeah, you can beep. One. Well, I love the beeping buttons. Yeah, I can tell the brakes.
Первый этаж.
Capacity 675 kilograms, 9 persons. Installed 2018, brand new, back up to 2. And I noticed something weird when it tries to start up. Let's see. Didn't do that time.
Второй этаж.
Focus. Yeah, I can tell by the brakes, Evolution Blue.
Первый этаж.
There are little ventilation holes. No chime down here.
Второй этаж.
I'm disappointed it's not fully talking.
Первый этаж.
Or might be Synergy Blue. Cab view. Nice elevator. Fixtures. Schaefer RT 42.
Второй этаж.
Bad choice for a metro station. Should have gone with VB42. I'll show it close. There it goes, and that's it.